Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain an error which I got when I was working with the Gatsby. So I will show the error first. I was trying to execute this Gatsby space develop command. Let us wait. Yes, we got the error unknown. There was a problem loading the local develop command. Gatsby may not be installed in your site's node_modules directory. Look at here, we don't have that directory now. Perhaps you need to run npm install. Okay, you have to run npm install. You might need to delete your package-lock.json as well. Look at here, they are telling to delete package-lock.json. We don't have that file also here. So only the one thing which we need to do is npm install. npm install. Enter. Look at here, it is installing. After npm install command is successfully completed, we will get the folder node_modules here under this web here. So we will get the package-lock.json file also. Node_modules and package-lock.json file also will be available under this web directory. Then when we run this Gatsby develop, the project will run without this error. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you.